Bulisele namhlanje bonke ababukeli kwi-xhosa TV ku-predictors. Today we are bringing your favorite predictions as usual. For sure you have your pen, your paper, because today we're going to create only 5 odds. You can edit and see if where we are wrong, fix there where we see you are wrong. So today we'll start with the 12 games. With 12 games. There is League 1 between Morecambe versus Plymouth. Plymouth is playing away against Morecambe. Just give 2 handicaps to Plymouth. The second one is Ipswich to League 1 again versus Wycombe. Just give a straight win to Ipswich. The third one is FC Halifax against Ram from National League of England. Just give Ram and a draw. The fourth one is Forest Green versus Derby from League 1 in England again. Just give Derby and a draw. The fifth one is North County versus Wellstone from National League of England. Again, there you give a straight win to North. They're on form, they're on fire, they are banging goals, they're scoring goals. 6, Chesterfield against York City from National League again. This is another top team from National League of England. Just give Chesterfield a straight win. Number 7, we have Rotterdam versus West Brom from English Championship. Just give West Brom a draw. Number 8, we have Millwall versus Luton Town. As a tough one, Luton are visiting Millwall from their home. They don't have a nice season this season of these guys of Millwall. They will try all means to stop Luton. Luton, they're on form in the other side, but now it's a away game for them. Just say 2 handicaps to Luton Town. Number 9, we have US Leeds versus the on fire team, the top team, Napoli. To increase your odds, because if we play like this, we take like this year. Just say to anytime goal scorer, give Victor Osimhen their top goal scorer. It will give you 265 cents if you choose the other person who's going to score for the game. So for sure, Victor Osimhen will be on the score sheet. Just give anytime goal scorer Victor Osimhen. The number 10 is AC Milan versus Empoli. A stable side, but we hope, because of AC Milan is playing at home, at least you see, just say AC Milan in a draw.